Everyone, now we'll see uh, whether the number is prime or not. So I had already written a program, so I'll explain you. So this is JavaScript program. So all the JavaScript code should be written between a script tag. So this is script tag. You can write in a head section of HTML or body section or as external file. So if you are using Notepad, then write after script you write language is equal to JavaScript. Now I had declared variables n means you can take any value, suppose 7. We know what is prime number. Prime number means the number which is divisible by itself and 1. So we will start dividing that number by 2. Initially I had declared this variable is prime as 1. For what purpose I'll tell you, like it is for true and false condition. Now by prompt, this is a function which is used to accept the string, because string is collection of characters, numbers, expression, anything. So we have to convert that number into integer. So parse int is we had immediately converted that whatever string that it parses a string into integer. Integer means whole number without decimal point. Then that number will be converted immediately and assigned to n. Now what we'll do, because I is 2, we don't want to divide that number by 1. Okay, so we will divide, we will go on dividing that number. Suppose if we take 7, so we'll start dividing that number from 2. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll start dividing that number. So we will check if n divided by 2, we'll start from 2, dividing that number from 2. This is modulus operator. This will give remainder after division. So if is this double equal to is equal to, and it will check if that number is divisible by 2, that is first initial number is 2, then it will store in is prime, because initially, like true and false, store something. If it is divisible even once, then it will break means it will come out of the this loop. So if so now 7 is, suppose n we had took as a 7, so 7 is not divisible by 2, then it will not assign this value to is prime. Then I will get incremented, I will become 3 is less than 7, yes, then again it will divide 7 divided by 3. Is it divisible? Because a percentage sign is called modulus operator. It will get we get remainder by this modulus operator. Percentage sign is called modulus operator. So it will check whether it is equal to 0, whether we got remainder as 0, that is 3 divided by 7, remainder we got 0, no, then it will not assign any as 0, that is prime. In till now value is 1 only, because it is not divisible by this. So again this value will increment, then it will take 4, then again it will do 4 is less than n, then again it will check 7 divided by 4, it is not divisible. So still is prime is holding 1, because not even once it had entered this condition that this has become 0 remainder. So again it will become 5 is less than 7, yes, then 7 divided by 5, so this is false, so it will not assign any value to this. Then it will become 6, I is equal to I plus 1, 6 is less than 7, yes, then it will divide and it will check whether it is equal to 0, no, it is not 0, then still I is prime is holding 1, because it is not divisible. Then this became 7. Now this is false, this loop, that is I, that is 7 is less than 7, no, okay, means it should be till 6, so it will come directly out of this loop. Then now because is prime is holding 1, because not even once it had entered this loop, if condition, so it will check double equal to means to check both the values are true. Now is prime latest value is 1 only, because this condition was not true even for one time. So it will check if is prime is 1, yes it was 1. N is 2, no, this is called OR operator. This is pipeline is called logical OR operator. Means if any one condition is true or both the condition are true, then this statement will get executed immediately after it. But if both are false, then it will go to else part and print this. So we know 2 is also a prime number if we take n as 2. So we'll check now output. Suppose we took 7, so 7 is prime number. Now we'll say 2. Okay, now suppose we say as even number 6. Okay, 6 is not a prime number. Let's take one more number. Suppose 3. 3 is a prime number because 3 is divisible by itself and 1. Let's take even number. So 8 is not a prime. So hope you understood. You can subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.